Now, American Treasury bonds have always been the go-to for investors in times of fear, thanks to their reputation on Wall Street as being so secure that they don't even require risk analysis. They rallied in the midst of 9/11 attacks and the global financial crisis, even after the United States credit rating was lowered. US Treasury's reputation as a safe refuge is under serious threat as a result of President Trump's aggressive trade policies. The Sell America trade is making treasuries fall in unison with the dollar, stocks and the commodities. Simply put, treasuries currently are trading similar to risk assets. That is a warning to policymakers in Washington. Investor confidence in US bonds can no longer be taken for granted. The dollar and treasuries have emerged as the latest victim of this week's market turmoil as the worsening trade war risks derailing the US economy. So the other interesting debate raging is financial market circles is if China has anything to do with that. Analysts are keeping a closer eye on China's treasury holdings following a week of erratic US bond market performance. Some analysts have speculated that Beijing sales contributed to the largest increase in 30-year yields since the pandemic and the volatility that followed. But that is speculative at best without proof, given China's trading activity is a closely guarded secret. Other analysts have speculated that China may resort to dumping US debt as a retaliation to Trump's tariffs. The escalating US-China trade war has Beijing calling Trump's levies a joke and saying it no longer considers them worth matching. China capped its retaliatory tariffs on US imports at 125%. China's Ministry of Finance said given that American goods are no longer marketable in China under the current tariff rates, if the US further raises tariffs on Chinese exports, China will disregard such measures.